Imagine a world where today's essential coding skills have faded, overshadowed by a new breed of expertise. This isn't a distant future. It's already here. Shubham Saboo, a leader in AI product management at Google, has witnessed the ground shift firsthand. His reflections are sparking a new conversation in the tech community as old certainties disappear overnight. Saboo's words have gone viral. The best developers in 2026 will look more like film directors than programmers. Just months ago, skills that once guaranteed a job offer are now almost meaningless. Between late 2025's release of Gemini 3 Pro and early 2026's debut of Claude Opus 4.6, artificial intelligence made a sweeping advance. The foundation of software development has changed permanently. Developer value is no longer tied to implementation. Instead, it now resides upstream, in problem framing, context design, orchestration, and judgment. Consider the 4 developer skills that, in Saboo's view, have been fully commoditized by AI agents. 1. Writing code from scratch. 2. Boilerplate and project scaffolding. 3. Memorizing syntax and APIs. 4. Turning specifications into code. What once took days now takes minutes. At a startup, Saboo advises an intern delivered a complex feature in an afternoon, work that previously consumed a senior engineer for 3 days. The difference? Clear problem definition, then letting AI handle the rest. This is the new normal. So, what truly matters in 2026? Saboo points to 5 upstream skills, none rooted in coding. First, problem shaping. The ability to transform fuzzy goals into precise, testable tasks. Want a dashboard? Break it into actionable steps. What data to show? What decisions to support? What success looks like for each component. The sharper the framing, the better the results. Second, context design. It's not about clever prompts, but about giving agents the boundaries, goals, success metrics, and real-world constraints they need to excel. Dense, well-crafted input yields near production results. Modern AI builders now spend more time writing detailed context files than traditional code. Third, taste or product sense. This is the instinct to know what will truly resonate with users, not just what technically works. Taste separates a boring tool from a share-worthy experience, and it's only built through hands-on iteration and attention to user reactions. Fourth, agent orchestration. The modern developer is more like a director, deciding when to use one agent or many, when to parallelize, and when to intervene. The wise choose between sequential pipelines, coordinators with expert agents, and parallel workflows, orchestrating complexity with finesse. Fifth, judgment. Knowing when not to use agents. Despite their power, sometimes a direct touch is faster. A quick bug fix or minor refactor may not need AI's full might. The best choose the right tool for the right level of complexity. How do you build these skills? 1. Hone taste by critiquing your last few agent outputs and reflect on why changes matter. 2. Improve context quality by drafting comprehensive context files before any prompting. 3. Shape problems by breaking big asks into multiple subtasks. 4. Train orchestration by shifting parts of a workflow from sequence to parallel where possible. 5. Build tool judgment by tracking where AI is unnecessary and choosing to go manual when appropriate. For 2 decades, technical skill ruled because implementation was hard. Today, implementation is trivial. The skills that matter now, and in the years ahead, are all upstream, shaping problems, crafting context, applying taste, orchestrating agents, and exercising judgment. So, take this moment to reflect. In your latest project, are you still spending most of your time writing code? If so, you may be clinging to a skill set that AI has already begun to replace. In this new era, everything starts with a clear context, a well-framed problem, and thoughtful orchestration. Once you have those, the code will write itself.